Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am super excited to share with you my secret recipe for making delicious matri at home, especially for my kiddos who loves matri. To make matri we need a few simple ingredients: all purpose flour, ghee or oil, salt and water. Let's get started. Now let's mix the flour, ghee or oil and salt together. I love involving my kids in the cooking process. They love getting their hands dirty. Once the dough is ready, it's time to roll out the matri, and my kids helping me with this part. They get to use their favorite cookies cutters. And now it's time to fry the matri, and this is the most exciting part. My kids love watching the matri transform into crispy golden brown treats, and that's it. Our delicious matri is ready. My kids love snacking on these with their favorite chai or coffee. It's a special bonding moment for us. So guys, thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. If you are try out this recipe, be sure to tag me in your post. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more fun recipes and story time video. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.